In this video, we're gonna talk all about the boxer step. I got a lot of people asking about the boxer step, and it's a fundamental, I would almost call it the bedrock move of jumping. Now, the secret of boxer step is, first of all, when you're jumping, don't jump on your heels, jump on the balls of your feet. So you gotta get comfortable kind of just standing and not having your heels hitting the ground. From there, you would just do a two-legged jump like this. And that's how you kind of start. And you want to get used to that before you move to the boxer step. So I'll give you an example of what you need to be able to do. The secret is only jump as much as you need to get the rope. You want to be super efficient about the jump. So you don't want to jump any higher than you need to get that rope underneath your feet. Here's an example. So this is your basic standard jump. Once you perfect that, you're ready for the boxer step. And here's a little trick on how to learn the boxer step. It's essentially like dancing, okay? You're basically just kind of moving from one foot to another. If you can walk, the good news is you can do the boxer step because that's almost the same movement, one leg to the other leg. And you can actually just try it like this and get comfortable jumping because your feet might not have, that strength to push. So you're gonna have to build that strength. So take one foot off and jump, and you should get comfortable being able to do this. Then basically you just try to get a little hop. It's kind of like dancing when you think about it. And I'll show it to you on the side. Something like that. You just want to get comfortable being on one foot and off the other. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm kind of pushing my knee up, almost like you're doing like a high knee, except it's just a really small amount. So try to see if you can do that. Put your favorite music on and just start dancing to the beat. Now, when it comes to using with the rope, when you learn the boxer step, you might trip a lot, which is gonna slow down your progress. So here's a tip that I have to learn the boxer step without actually putting the rope underneath. The secret is the single arm side swing. Here's how you do it. You take your rope, your both handles, instead of holding the handles like this and swinging, what you want to do is take your index finger, because that's what happens. Your rope will start tangling up like that. What you want to do is you take your hand, your index finger, put it through one rope, and then put it through the other on your thumb like that. So your thumb has one rope, your index finger has the other, and then you kind of grip it. So you're not holding the handles per se, you're holding the rope. And then you just swing like this. Get a nice rhythm and then try to jump to that rhythm. 1 foot up, 1 foot down, 1 foot up, 1 foot down. Then you can do 2 foot jumps. 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. And essentially you want to get that rhythm and your feet down. Once you do that, you're going to be able to then start practicing jumping with the rope. So here's an example. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember, I'm on the balls of my feet. That is the bedrock fundamental move. If you're looking to lose weight, that's what you want to be able to do. So let me show you one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So keep practicing that. Make sure that you focus on that move of just having 1 foot up and 1 foot. So both your feet are not jumping anymore. A great tip is actually to go from 2 feet to an alternating. So let me show you. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So practice that as a drill. If you're still in the beginner stages where you're comfortable jumping with 2, try to alternate. Because here's the thing, once you learn the boxer step, you'll never jump with 2 feet again. In fact, it's really awkward for me to now jump with 2 feet because my body naturally wants to do the boxer step. And that's because the boxer step allows you to jump for a longer time with less fatigue. And that's how you're gonna lose a lot of weight or get in shape, improve your cardio, because you can go for longer without getting any kind of fatigue. So practice the boxer step, keep those drills, Remember, you don't have to use the rope to learn the boxer step. You just got to get the rhythm. And stay on the balls of your feet. Your heels shouldn't even touch the ground when you're jumping. In the next video, we're gonna talk all about the side swing. This is another fundamental move on top of the boxer step. And if there's any two moves you need to know, it's the boxer step and the side swing to lose weight and gain cardio. So make sure you watch that video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these jump rope tutorial video series. And let me know what you're struggling with, and I'll make videos all about that. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, and we'll see you again in the next video.